guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Today we are doing an overview of the TubeBuddy tool. Recently I just got this email saying that we're going to pay for a video, $100 each, so I'm going to jump on this, and this will be the start of a whole new series. So today is just an overview, like I said, and we'll go ahead and get on with it. Now, TubeBuddy is a free browser extension to help you run your YouTube channel. It allows you to do things like make thumbnails, change your tags so that you have better tags, bulk edit descriptions and links and stuff, as well as SEO and among several other things. They have a free tier, but they also have multiple paid tiers. So starting at $9 a month, you can get the Pro license, $19 a month for a Star license, or $49 a month for a Legend license. Now, if you're a TubeBuddy affiliate, and you get 50 people to install this program in a year, or like 200 over a lifetime, then you get the Legend tier for free. So there is basically no reason for you to not install this tool. One, it'll help my channel, and two, it would also help your channel, especially if you are able to go through and get other people to join as well. So please install this program. There's a link in the description below, and it should work with Chrome, Firefox, Vivaldi, which is what I'm using. This Vivaldi is just the best browser, and Firefox is like the worst. I mean it's like worse than Chrome in my opinion. Because Mozilla isn't a nice company anymore. That's a video for another discussion. But anyways, after you install the tool, you log in with your YouTube account, and you should be able to go to the TubeBuddy site and get this page. Now this page, there'll be a link down here to do sponsored upgrades. So right now I have the sponsored 7-day trial of the Star tier. If you look at what the Star tier has, you can see it has most of the features here. Of course, the free tier is limited, but it's still very useful. In the free tier, you get like 3 free tags instead of like all the tags. You don't get to have templates when you go to edit your thumbnails, but it's still useful. You can still use the thumbnail editor, just you won't be able to save your work and apply it to other videos too. You'll have to do it like on a per video basis. Basically, the free tier has less tools overall, but it's still useful. As you can see here, it's got limited responses. So we'll go ahead and we'll expand all these so you can see what the limits are. So here we go. Here is all the tools that you get for productivity tools: schedule publish, schedule video upload, sunset videos, card templates, end screen templates, cam responses, default upload profiles, playlist actions, thumbnail generator, video topic planner, advanced video embed, which this would be very handy if you have like your own website. For example, I have my own website over here, it's RandomFandomOfficial, and it would give you basically the code for embedding videos, kind of like how I did here. Comment formatting, COPA Center. COPA is the Children's Online Privacy Act. Emoji picker, quick links menu, quick edit toolbar. Then you have bulk processing tools. Bulk copy cars, bulk copy end screen, bulk delete cars, bulk delete end screen, bulk find and replace and append. So this would work on things like your video descriptions. So if you have like an affiliate link, for example, that has changed, you can find and replace just that link in all those videos and fix it. Bulk thumbnail overlays, bulk update cards, bulk update end screens, demonetization double check. And then under video SEO tools, which is search engine optimization, which helps you gain more views on YouTube. Auto translator, search rank tracking, tag translator, video A/B test, opportunity finder, best practice audit, SEO studio, search positions, Insta suggest, keyword explorer, search explorer, tag list, tag rankings, tag sorter, view and copy video tags. Under promotion tools, publish to Facebook, milestones, best time to publish, pick a winner, which was useful for like if you run a contest where people have to comment on your videos, you can have it automatically pick a winner for you. Data and research tools, which has channel access, click magnet, which is a beta feature only available to the Legend license. Competitor scorecard, competitor upload alerts, export comments, retention analyzer, brand deals, channel backup, health report, videolytics, channel valuation, channelytics, comment word cloud, demonetization audit, language analysis, search insights. And then there's even member perks, which has like music, videos, graphics, all sorts of stuff, which we'll show you in a little while. And then there's also, of course, the TubeBuddy mobile app, which is available for iOS and Android. So you can see this has a lot of tools, and there's still a decent amount of stuff in their free tier. So there's basically, like I said, no reason for you to not download this. You can get it in the link in the description for this video below. Anyways, on to my account. Over here are member perks. As you can see, here's the music that I was talking about. You can get Audio Hero, Epidemic Sound, Licked, and Juke Deck. Of course, these have discounts, and then these other two are free. Now, these only apply if you pay for your license, so it doesn't work on the sponsored upgrades. So that's kind of unfortunate, but it's understandable. Of course, here's more tools here. And then even services and training. So like they have this free course here, but it only applies if you pay for your license. And then there are the mobile apps for TubeBuddy, and there's also this collab space. And of course, we got the affiliate center. If it will load. There we go. And this is basically showing you how much you make off of your affiliate links. I guess 29 people clicked on my links and 43 in a lifetime, but nobody installed. Well, that sucks. And then of course you have the assets that you can use to promote TubeBuddy. And then there's even more stuff under the quick start guide. Now in the feature list here is even more stuff. All this goes into detail on like the tools that you can use. And you can find that over here under support and tool list. So if you need help with like a specific tool, you can always go here and find out how to do it. Or you can just watch my videos. Anyways, there are different categories of these tools, and like I said, there's a lot of them. Anyways, let's get on with some of the stuff that you can do. So over here we have my YouTube channel, of course, and you'll notice that there is some extra stuff that pops up. When you look at on the channel page, you can see the channel analytics as well as the channel keywords. And also there's stats for like the past so many days. Now this doesn't work just on your channel, but it also works on other channels as well. So as you can see, in the last 30 days, I got a huge spike in views. And that is a big reason of that is because I installed this tool and started editing some of the tags on my videos and stuff. So as you can see, this tool really does work. If you go to the video page, you can see that there are my tags. You can even click on this and copy all these tags, and that is available for free. And also list the best practices overall, your channel analytics, social, SEO, and the views and comments and likes and dislikes. You can compare it to other videos, and there's even more tools under here. But just to prove that it works on other channels, we'll go ahead and we'll just click on some random video. So here's a video from Marcus Brownlee, also known as MKBHD. He's a tech YouTuber. And you can see that these haven't refreshed yet, I guess. So we'll go ahead and refresh this page and hopefully it grabs more recent data. There we go. So he has over 2.73 billion views, over 14 million subscribers, and over 1,000 videos. 426 likes, 37 upvotes, 968,000 views, and almost 6,000 comments. And you can see it's a little bit more precise than what YouTube gives you here, but on some of these, there you go. But of course you see his tags, his best practices, and if you want you can even copy these tags to your own videos. If you find someone who's doing better than you and you made a similar video, maybe you could copy their tags. Not that I would suggest that you should learn how to put tags on your own video, but there you go. Anyways, that is some of the free features that you can get. Some of the others you can have are like, some of them you can do like the bulk edits on some things you can't. But since I have a star license, I can do that. Now if we check out what YouTube has, they have the ability to do a bulk edit. So like if you select the description, you can see that you can do these certain things here. Insert at the beginning, insert at the end, or replace all, or remove. So you don't have a whole lot of options here with YouTube. You can't do anything like a find or replace. You can only replace the entire thing, or remove the entire thing, or just add in stuff onto the beginning or the end. But if you compare that to TubeBuddy, you'll see that we have a lot more options. So we have find text, find and replace text, insert after text, before text, remove, delete text, add text to end the description or beginning, or replace the entire description. It can be case sensitive or not. So some links, for example, might be case sensitive. You want to make sure that you get all that right. And here they give you an example, like they're correcting one of their links here or replacing it. And you can do that for titles and descriptions. Now I've already replaced all of my descriptions, but I'll do that again just to demonstrate. So let's go ahead and find my description that I saved. on my computer. So you can see here are my YouTube upload defaults. And so what I'll do is I will go ahead and I will add in the link for TubeBuddy right here. Get TubeBuddy. Now we can take this entire description and we can replace it with our description. And you can do it to only certain videos depending on what you want to do, but we will do this to all of our videos. Now, another nice thing about TubeBuddy is that it will tell you how many videos it has done. Of course, you check the box here, and now it's going through all the videos, and you can see it's 9 of 270, and it's going pretty fast. Now, if you also do this manually by hand, it would take you a lot longer. But let's say we don't like that and we want to add something else. Go ahead and just do the parentheses here. So as you see, it's already done here, but we can go ahead and go right back and we'll just do the find or replace text. And just to demonstrate, we'll go over to our YouTube channel. Before we edit that, and I'll show you the description of video. So I can see here's the Get TubeBuddy link, but I added in less free. So we will do that right now. It goes through all these videos pretty fast. That's another thing. If you are using TubeBuddy, it doesn't work with other platforms, but maybe if they add those other platforms in the future, and maybe you join like something like Odyssey, it can always be a useful thing to put those links in your description too, like I've done here. So that would help you gain an audience on other platforms, just in case you get banned off of YouTube, for example. And they even suggest that you get on other platforms too. Like right here it says, YouTube is a great place to talk about TubeBuddy, but that doesn't mean that's the only platform you should be focusing on. And so that's why this video is on LBRY/Odyssey. It's just, it's not on just YouTube. It's also on their other platforms too. It's about done here making all these bulk edits. As you can see, that it's completed, and now we can go and refresh this page. I don't really want to play this video, just go to the description and you can see I've added on, it's free to the end there. It's a lot more powerful than what YouTube gives you, and that's a very nice thing. And the thing about the find replace text is it will work even if all your video descriptions are different. So for example, if you have links for a game that you modify, download links, and you put that in a video description, and then you have another video that's maybe a review of a phone, you have links to Amazon for that phone. You don't want to just bulk edit your descriptions for, you know, the entire thing. You just want to change just a certain link. You can do that with TubeBuddy, but you can't do that with YouTube. Next, we'll check out the Copa Center, just so you can see what it does. And as you can see, all my videos are marked as not made for kids, and that's how it should be. And you can see here it stands for Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. And what it does is it can give you some problems when you go to monetize your content. You can't have like affiliate links in your description. So if you're making videos for kids, then you should have all those videos marked for kids, because if you don't, YouTube can come along and punish you. And the same goes for vice versa. You also have the demonetization double check, which you can have it search all your videos. None of my videos are demonetized for bad words or anything of that sort. My channel is just overall demonetized, so there you go. I don't have enough views and watch hours yet. You can back up your entire channel, bulk edit stuff, like I said. Let's go ahead and go to just a single video. As you can see, my newer videos have thumbnails, but a lot of my older ones don't. And this is where TubeBuddy can come in handy. If you start out YouTube, maybe you started out with not editing your videos, not making thumbnails, and just directly uploading to YouTube. I mean, I know that's how a lot of creators start out, is they don't do much to their videos, they just went straight on YouTube. Well, that is not all that great for your channel, but you can fix that pretty easily with TubeBuddy. You can go in and you can make thumbnails. So for example, this video has a really bad thumbnail. Let's go ahead and let's select this video. And before we go editing the thumbnail, let's just show you some of the other stuff that you can do with TubeBuddy. There's the Demonetization Audit. You have the best practices list here. You have the create a thumbnail button. And then down here is where you have tags. Now in the free version, you only get 3 tags, but in the paid version, you get a lot more. Which right now I have the star license for 7 days for free since I did a survey. I'll go ahead and I'll add in some tags. Let's actually sort this out with keyword score. Of course, you can see the tags with green scores are best, then yellow and orange, and finally red. If they don't have a tag, I guess they're maybe unranked. So we'll go ahead and we'll add these tags in there. Then you also have the ability to do by search traffic, but there hasn't been a lot of views on this video, so there's not many options here. So we'll just go ahead and we'll just add in more tags, and we can always revisit this video later and edit the tags again. Try to drive views to this video. Well, of course this video is kind of crappy anyways, but you know, a view is a view. And this is one of my old videos, one of my first ones I've ever made, so of course it's going to be crappier, but And then we need to get rid of some tags because we have too many tags right now. So we will remove some of these tags here and get ourselves back down to where we can save these tags. So now we've edited tags on our video. There's what the analytics page looks like. And there's what the editor page looks like. There's what the comments page looks like. Of course, no comments on here, so that's that. And then there's the subtitles page. And as you see, there's another thing here. 87.3% of my audience speaks English, 5.7% reach speech as Russian, 2.9% speak Spanish, 1.4% Arabic, 0.8 Indonesian, 0.7 Hungarian, 0.6 French, 0.6 Portuguese, and then 0% Aramean and Chinese. Now I only have English subtitles on here. I only speak English anyway, so there you go. Under the TubeBuddy button here, you can see we have plenty of tools. And even a nice way to copy links. Back to the details page, and we'll show you how the thumbnail editor works, because this thumbnail is absolutely awful. We'll make it look slightly more interesting. And as you can see, you can adjust even frame by frame, which YouTube doesn't give you. So right now I'm touching the screen, so I'm just going to move until maybe I'm not touching the screen. Well, we do have this TNT blowing up, so let's just go ahead and go with that. And since this video is really small and there was black bars everywhere, we can try to fix that. We'll go ahead and stretch this out so that it fills in the screen. So as you see, it's already a huge improvement over this crappy thumbnail, but we can go ahead and we can add in some text. So we'll just go ahead and we'll copy the video title. Add layer. That is way too big, so we'll change the size. And if you think that's too small, you can change the size to a bigger size. If that's still too small, and you change to an even bigger size, and maybe it's too big, you don't have to worry, because you can still fix this. All you have to do is just drag these corners and there you go. You can change the color to whatever you want. So we'll go ahead and let's try out. That's a little too dark, so we'll go lighter. You can add on a border, but the border is only black or white. This kind of pops off the screen a bit, so we'll go ahead and we'll go with that. But this font is not what we want. You can upload your own font, or you can use one of their pre-included fonts. I added in the Assassin's Creed font for another video, but there we go. That is way too big, so let's shrink this down. And that is way too small, but not to worry. We can make this just right. It looks a little bit squashed, so let's fix that. And as you can see, we have a thumbnail. You can even add in some emotes, so we'll go ahead and we'll add in an emote just to cover up part of the UI here. You can even upload an image, which I already have one. So now we got my logo here. And there's that. And then you can save this as a template if you have the star license or higher. You can't do this on a free tier, but you can still use like most of the tools. So we'll go ahead and we'll just call this an MCPE test template. And just to show how well it works, we'll delete all these layers. And you see there's this template button here. You can just click on that and boom, there's our template. Now we can hit continue, save, and publish. And there's your button here to download your thumbnail. So there you go, we just fixed a thumbnail on one of my old videos. So anyways, that'll be it for this preview, I think. If you want to learn more about TubeBuddy, just click the link in the description below. And until next time, peace.